Have you ever wondered about the buzz surrounding cryptocurrencies? It's a world that's been growing at a phenomenal pace, capturing the attention of many. Cryptocurrencies, digital or virtual currencies secured by cryptography, have become a hot topic in recent times. They've been revolutionizing the way we think about finance and commerce, creating a new ecosystem of digital wealth. The beauty of this world is its diversity. There's a vast variety of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique properties and uses. From Bitcoin, the pioneer of them all, to Ethereum with its smart contracts, the list is endless. And in this vast ocean of digital currencies, there's a new player that's been catching the eye of many, a coin that stands out from the rest, promising a unique approach to the world of digital finance. That coin is none other than the cow coin. One cryptocurrency grabbing attention recently is the cow coin. So, what exactly is this cow coin? Now, don't let the name fool you. This isn't about bovines, but a unique cryptocurrency that's been making waves. The cow coin, short for crypto on the web, originated in the bustling realm of digital currencies. It's a decentralized token, meaning it isn't controlled by any central authority like a bank. Designed with a purpose to democratize financial transactions, it allows users to send and receive money worldwide without any hefty fees or delays. Think of it as your digital wallet that's open 24/7 at your service. How does it function, you ask? Cowcoin operates on blockchain technology, a public ledger containing all transaction data from anyone who buys or sells the coin. It's like a global spreadsheet that's transparent and secure. Now that we know what Cowcoin is, let's delve into why it's turning heads. Why is Cowcoin becoming a sensation in the crypto world? This question has been on many lips lately. The answer lies in the unique features and benefits that Cowcoin has to offer. This cryptocurrency is not just another token in the digital realm. It is a revolutionary concept that aims to bring about significant changes in the way transactions are carried out. What sets Cowcoin apart from the rest is its commitment to simplicity and accessibility. Its user-friendly interface and easy-to-understand mechanics make it an ideal choice for both crypto veterans and beginners. Furthermore, its robust security measures ensure that your assets are always safe and secure. The growth and acceptance of Cowcoin among crypto enthusiasts have been nothing short of remarkable. Its popularity continues to surge, making it one of the most promising cryptocurrencies in the market today. Indeed, the cow coin has shown immense potential. But what's the future projection? Where is the cow coin heading in terms of value? A question that's probably on everyone's mind. To talk about the price prediction, we need to consider several factors. The current value of cow coin is influenced by market trends, investor sentiment, and the overall health of the crypto market. But the future value? That's a bit more complex. Predicting the future price of a cryptocurrency is a little like predicting the weather. Many elements come into play, and sometimes unexpected events can cause sudden shifts. However, based on current trends, experts believe that cow coin has the potential to grow in value. Some even predict a steady rise over the next few years. But as always, it's crucial to do your own research. Cryptocurrencies are volatile and their value can change rapidly. So while we can make educated guesses, nothing is set in stone. The future of Cowcoin sure looks promising, but remember, the world of cryptocurrency is always full of surprises.